Be ready. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, paragraph. I have the pleasure in welcoming you to the 10th annual general meeting of the company. The accounts for the year ended 30th June 1980 have been sent to you already, and with your permission, I shall take them as read. You will surely be glad to learn that in spite of very adverse conditions, we have ended up with a modest gross profit of rupees 46 lakhs during the year as against a gross profit of rupees 62 lakhs during the previous year. It has been possible for us to earn this modest gross profit only because of certain actions we took in advance to lessen the expected impact of the unfavorable conditions I have referred to. I have the pleasure to inform you that the first rolling mill, which has been completely designed and fabricated in India, has started productions. Comparing its cost and performance with those of imported mills, I can easily say that our engineers have done a fine job. Your company is going in for a bigger mill in order to implement fully the industrial license capacity. For this, we have already submitted our loan application to the financial institutions. Orders for the plant and equipment have been placed, and we hope to commission the second mill by the end of 1981. It is indeed a matter of great satisfaction that, taking advantage of the good quality of our product and the various innovations which we have adopted to reduce the cost of production, we now find that we can perhaps export our products not only to the developing countries but also to the developed countries. We are working seriously on exporting our products. Initial responses are encouraging, and we hope to achieve the ends in this direction in the current financial year. In the meantime, you may note with some satisfaction the saving in foreign exchange your company has achieved by import substitution. Our domestic sales already save the country over rupees 5 crores per year in foreign exchange. The import content of the input is barely rupees 60 lakhs. This import content will be further reduced with the commissioning of the second rolling mill. We are working on various developments to diversify our product range and to lower our cost production. By next year, I should be able to report some of the results from these. Before I conclude, I would like to thank all the financial institutions and banks connected with us for their valuable support, which we received during the year under report. I would also like to offer a word of appreciation for all the efforts and efficiency shown by all our managers, staff and workers at our plant and other offices. Stop.